Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to make aloo paratha, also known as potato paratha. It's a very popular recipe from the Punjab region and is very simple to make yourself. First we need to prepare the dough. For this we will need the following ingredients: 300 grams of whole wheat chapati flour and enough cool water to make a stiff dough. Begin to knead the dough either with a mixer or by hand. Once the dough is ready, place it in the fridge for at least half an hour. In this time, we can begin to make the filling. For the filling, we will need half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of whole zira cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of pomegranate powder, also known as anadana powder, half an onion, 3 potatoes, 1 green chili, a few mint leaves and a handful of coriander. Boil the potatoes until they have softened, then proceed to peel them. Mash the potatoes in a bowl. Add in the salt and spices. Chop the mint leaves, coriander, green chili and half an onion and add them with the potatoes. Mix everything together. Leave this mix to aside. Once the dough is ready, divide it into 6 to 8 balls. On a flat surface, slightly stretch the dough ball and place a cube or two of softened butter inside. With the rolling pin, roll a ball of dough into a circle. Leave this on the side. Get another ball of dough and repeat the process. Place the tawa on medium heat. Place the filling onto the dough without getting too close to the edges. Carefully place the other circle on top and pinch the edges together so it stays in shape. Place the paratha onto the tawa. Rub butter on top of the paratha to ensure it becomes crispy. Make sure each side is golden brown and cook properly before removing from the tawa. Now our paratha is ready. You can serve with chutney or raita. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bye everyone.